Hello all, in this video we are going to learn some time saving tips and tricks how you can save time while editing your photos. If you don't have much time and you want to save your time, you want to edit some pic in very less time, then what you can do is we are going to learn in this video, but before that I want to share one thing with you. If you want to view your photo without editing, you can simply click on this photo and it will hold it. It will show the original picture, and when you will leave this, you will find the after editing photo. So you can simply view before and after thing directly from clicking on your photo and holding it. So let's move to our this video topic. So how we can save time. So we will open a new picture and we will edit it very quickly. So we are going to gallery and we are searching our picture we want to edit. So for example, I want to edit this one. So to save time, when you open a picture, you will show up these effects. So uh, you can, if you don't show these things, you can simply click on this two lines. So you can see this, these are, so you can simply view this thing. So here are some presets available. Always use these presets to save your time. So if you don't want to use other effects, you can simply try these effects. You can see these are very helpful. So this thing you can see, this is very useful and helpful. So you can see this adds morning effect, bright, so black and white, and so we have make this preset by our own. You will learn this thing in the future videos. So how you can save your preset, so you will learn this thing later. So we are going to add this morning effect quickly, and next we are going to go to the blur, and here is lens blur, and in the lens blur we are going to use decrease this opacity, and I think this is good. And now we are going to vignette strength, and we are going to increase this thing. So now I think this is looking well. Okay, apply this thing, and next thing we are going to apply is text, and we are going to add the same text. Here is I hope you are doing well. Okay, position this, and now we are going to change its color. I think this is best one. So we are going to increase its opacity, apply. So I think we should change its color. So we are going to view details and text and edit it from here. And here we want to change its color. So apply, and this is not working well. So we need to change color. So I think white is working very well. So apply it, and now it's looking well. So this is our original picture. This is our picture after applying white balance, and this is applying after details, curves, and image tune, and lens blur, and text. So we have not applied these things, white balance, curves, and other things. Actually, these were applied with our uh, preset. So these things were changed with our preset. So now you can see we have this original picture, and now this is applying all the effects. So you can see the difference. This is looking very well, and you can see this is original and this is the after editing. So these are some tips to save your time. You should always go to the presets, and then you can fastly you can edit these things. So I hope you will like it. That's it for this video, and we are going to save this picture back, and to save you can actually save from here. But before saving, I want that you should learn something in settings. Clicking on three dots and settings, and here you can see some options available. Image resizing. So we are using do not resize because this is the perfect thing. So, and we are going to increase its quality to 100%. So always try to format and quality to JPEG 100. You can also change its format to PNG, but I will recommend you to go for JPEG 100%. So these are settings. You can also change the appearance of this app by here this dark theme. So we are not going to do this thing. We are going to save this by clicking this icon, and we are clicking to save a copy of your photo. We can export it, but this time we are going to save it. So this is preparing our photo, our effects. So this was actually a video about saving time, but we have learned some different things also in this video. So I hope you will like it. You can see the original by clicking on this photo. So I hope you will like it.